If it's a fish, it's the fish's, that's their DNA. Or if it's a plant, it's the plant's DNA. It just depends on whatever living thing you're talking about. But yes, it is that living thing's DNA. Correct. So ribosomes. This is what a protein molecule looks like. They almost look like black dots on the picture, and those are the ribosomes. All right. JR, you want to go ahead and take a turn?
Sure.
Which of the following statements is correct? The nucleus surrounds the cell. The cytoplasm, go ahead, Gavin, if you want to turn. The cytoplasm surrounds the outside of the cell. The nuclear envelope monitors what goes in and out of the cell. The nucleus controls all the functions of the cell. Which one is correct?
D.
D is correct. What now? I can't hear.
He asked, how do you reach inside that thing?
Oh, okay. What structure is like the gatekeeper of the cell? Allows some stuff in and some stuff out. Which one is this? Go ahead, Bradley.
The cell membrane.
Cell membrane is correct. What is the primary function of a ribosome? Clean the cell, make RNA, make protein, make DNA. Go ahead, Nevaeh. Make protein. Sounds correct to me. And, yes? You need to turn the light on first, so you can see what he's looking at, hopefully. All right. Golgi apparatus. This is probably one that you have not heard before. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus packages and ships proteins out of the cell. I'm going to okay, so you've got your ribosomes, and I kind of think of this as like the UPS or the FedEx location. What they're making there are the ribosomes, okay? That's like the building that makes the packages, or in this case, the ribosomes. The Golgi apparatus would be like the person that boxes up your stuff when you take it into the UPS or the FedEx place, puts the tape on it, puts the label on it, and gets it ready to go. Okay? So the ribosomes is like the FedEx store. The Golgi apparatus, is like the people that work there and they box up your stuff.
Sorry, I was going to ask, what do you do with this thing?
Okay. Thank you, Carson, but he's fine.
He asked me questions like what I did.
Does he need help, you think?
You already need help? What do you do with the slides?
You're just looking at them. The next one is the endoplasmic reticulum, or we call it ER for short. This would be the route that the FedEx or the UPS driver is driving, okay? So this is the network, so he's got everything on his truck, and he's driving to your house, he's driving to my house, and he's dropping your packages off. That's the endoplasmic reticulum, the route that the driver is taking to deliver the stuff, or to deliver the proteins in this instance. Lysosomes. This is the one that everyone forgets, and I don't really know why, but I always have a hard time with people remembering lysosome. The lysosome is filled with enzymes that break down and recycle material. So they get rid of the stuff that the cell doesn't need. Okay? Breaks it down so it can get rid of it.
Like the garbage truck.
Kind of like a garbage truck. There you go. Let me see, what number am I on? 51. I'm going to 54, so we'll try to get through the rest of these. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse. You're going to hear it referred to that often. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. The cell structure that contains enzymes and breaks apart waste molecules. Lysosome, vacuole nucleus, or ER. Which one? Lysosome is correct. What cell structure packages and ships proteins? Which one?
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus is correct. What organelle is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Now, the plant cell structures are a little different. These are only found in plants. We're talking about cell wall is the first one, chloroplast, and vacuole. Large vacuole, to be specific. Plant. Yeah, there's small vacuoles in animal cells, but large vacuole is just in plant cells. Plant and animal cells have many common features and a few different ones. Animal cells have structures plant cells don't have, including centrioles, microfilaments, and microtubules. This is what the animal cells have. These three are what the plant cells only have. Plant cell, large vacuole. Vacuoles store water, helps maintain water pressure inside the cell. Small vacuoles are also found in animal cells as well, but the large vacuole is only in plant cells. Cell wall, this is like the tough covering. Think about the bark of a tree. That would be what cell wall is like. Or the stem of a plant, it's kind of tough and kind of rigid. That is the cell wall. It protects and supports the cell and only allows water and small molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide through. And then chloroplast. Chloroplasts obtain energy directly from the sun. What is that process when plants take that energy from the sun?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, very good. And they use it to make energy, molecules, and food. What is the name of that food the plant makes during photosynthesis? It is a sugar, but what is its scientific name? C6H12O6? Does that ring a bell? It's glucose.
I was about to say it's glucose.
Oh, one key difference between a plant and animal cell. Plants have cell wall, animal cells do not. Plant and animal cells both have ribosomes. Animal cells have ribosomes, plant cells do not. Plant cells do not have a nucleus. Which one is the key difference? A is correct. What type of cell has chloroplast? Small, non-living, plant, or animal? C, plant is correct.
We are small.
What type of cells have a nucleus? Only non-living, both plant and animal, only the smallest, or human? B is correct. What is the function of a chloroplast? Produce energy for cells, controls the functions of a cell, assemble protein, capture energy from the sun to make food. D is correct. Which type of cell barrier do all cells have? Cell wall, cell membrane, nuclear pore. Which one do they all have?
Cell wall. I didn't learn it.
It is B. It's cell membrane. Only plants have cell wall. Okay, good. We're out of time. I'm going to go ahead and stop it there.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you want to put our Chromebooks?